my dears, how are you? I'm very fine, thank you so God. I'm called Aslaki Hailo from Ethiopia. I'm doing my job at our university as a physics lecturer. As usual, I'm requested to do this problem. Please, my dears, can we do together? Thank you. Now solution. What he says, a block of wood having a volume of 0.2 cubic meter float on the water. What mass should be placed on the block in order for its top surface to be at the same level within the surface of the water? Right. Please, my dears, as what you are learned from the flotation principle, any object to be floats, the object should be displaced the weight of the fluid as the weight of it. If the object or if the weight of the fluid displaced and then the weight of the object is equal, definitely the object can float, unless the object never float. And us, just consider this is as a water. And then let it be block 1 or the first mass. So the first we requested the first mass to be at the surface of the water. Additional mass should be introduced. And then let it be this is mass 1. And then let it be this is mass 2. Dears, this object to be here on the level of the water. Okay? And then to be float. Definitely the weight of these objects and then the weight of the displaced fluids should be equal unless the object never be float rather than is submerged. Now look, from this we understand that the weight of the displaced fluid known as water and then the weight of the object should be equal to be float. But the weight of the displaced fluid means the density of the fluid known as the water and then the volume of the displaced water times G is equal to simply mass 1 plus mass 2 times G. And then G comes from both sides. And then M2 becomes all the required mass to be this mass at the level of the water. The required mass M2 should be the density of the water, the volume of the displaced water minus mass 1. Great. Now mass 2 becomes the density of water is 1000 kilogram per cubic meter. And then the volume of the displaced water and then the volume of mass 1 is almost the same. Why? Because this block is completely submerged within the water. And then the density of the displaced fluid and then, the volume of the displaced fluid and then the volume of the block is the same. Of course, the volume of the first block. And then the density of and then the mass 1 means density of mass 1 times volume of mass 1. But the density of mass 1 is 800 kilogram per cubic meter times volume of mass 1 or block 1 is 0.2 or 2/10. cubic meter. That's all. But my dears, this should be minus. Cubic meter by cubic meter. By 10 1 by 10 100. 100 kilogram times 2 200 kilogram. Minus. By 10 1 by 10 80. 80 times 2 160. Cubic meter by cubic meter cancel and 8 kilogram. Now MB2 becomes 40 kilogram. Great, we did it. It's 14 kilogram. Mass should put upon block 1 to be brought. Thank you for watching. Please remember, you have to like it and then subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.